Your engine is slowly wearing itself out every time you do a normal oil change, and most drivers have no idea it's happening. I've seen engines with barely 90,000 miles full of sludge, noisy on startup, already burning oil. And I've also seen a 2003 Toyota Corolla cross 480,000 miles on its original engine, still smooth, still quiet, still strong. The difference wasn't luck. It was method. A disciplined, shop-proven oil routine inspired by meticulous Japanese maintenance culture, and today, you're getting the full insider tour. Most people treat an oil change like fast food. Pull in, drain, refill, leave. Done. But here's the uncomfortable truth: when oil is changed carelessly, contamination stays behind. That leftover sludge mixes with fresh oil. Bearings see dry starts. Microscopic metal shavings continue circulating. Over years, that small neglect compounds into real damage. Ticking lifters, worn cam lobes, stretched timing chains. Oil consumption that slowly gets worse. It doesn't fail overnight, it fades. Let's fix that properly. Picture this. You wake up early, engine cold. You slide under the car and pull the drain plug immediately. Sounds efficient, right? Wrong. Cold oil is thick. It clings to passages and internal surfaces. Up to 10 to 15% of contaminated oil can remain trapped inside. That means your brand new synthetic oil is instantly polluted. Here's the shop-tested solution. Before draining anything, slightly dilute the old oil. Add about half to 1 quart of fresh oil into the cold engine. This isn't a chemical flush. No harsh additives. Just clean oil. Start the engine and let it idle calmly for 5 minutes. No revving, no driving. That fresh oil mixes and suspends contaminants. It helps loosen particles that would otherwise stick to internal surfaces. Then shut the engine off and wait 10 minutes. Let gravity work. Let everything settle back into the pan. Now comes the critical difference. Do not drain it cold. Take the car for a controlled 10 to 15-minute drive. Bring it fully to operating temperature. Highway speeds are ideal. Hot oil flows thinner and carries suspended debris far better than cold oil ever could. Return home. Let the engine idle for about 1 minute to stabilize temperature. Then shut it off and immediately drain the oil while it's still hot. Be careful. Hot oil can burn. Gloves, steady hands, controlled movement. Safety first. You'll notice something. The oil flows faster, more completely. It looks thinner. That's what you want. That's full evacuation of contaminants. But we're not finished. Here's the expert trick most quick lube shops will never do. After the first drain finishes, reinstall the plug loosely and wait 20 to 30 minutes. Oil trapped in the cylinder head, timing assembly, and galleries continues dripping down. After that waiting period, remove the plug again. You may be shocked how much additional oil drains out. Sometimes nearly half a quart. That's half a quart of dirty oil that would have mixed with your fresh supply. This double drain approach is mechanics, recommended for long-term longevity builds. Next mistake people make: installing a dry oil filter. When you start the engine after an oil change, the pump has to fill that empty filter before pressure reaches critical components. That delay, even just a few seconds, causes measurable wear over time. Instead, fill the new filter about 60 to 70% with fresh oil. If it mounts vertically, if your filter installs horizontally or upside down, you can't fill it fully, but you can still coat the internal element lightly and lubricate the rubber gasket with clean oil. Never install a dry gasket. It can bind, leak, or tear during removal later. Hand tighten only. Tools over-tighten. Over-tightening warps gaskets and makes the next removal a nightmare. Now we refill, but not carelessly. Pour in about 80% of the required capacity. Stop. Wait 5 minutes. Let oil settle. Check the dipstick. Add slowly, in small increments, until the level sits slightly below the full mark. Around halfway between low and full is ideal before first startup. Why not max it out? Because overfilling is dangerous. Too much oil causes aeration. Aerated oil contains bubbles. Bubbles destroy consistent lubrication. Consistency protects bearings. Now comes the startup procedure most drivers skip. Before cranking the engine, turn the ignition on without starting it if your vehicle allows accessory priming. In older keyed vehicles, this may not build oil pressure, but in some modern systems it helps cycle electronics and fuel systems calmly before ignition. Then start the engine and let it idle. Do not rev it. Do not touch the throttle. Let it idle for 3 full minutes. Watch for the oil pressure light to turn off immediately. If it doesn't, shut it down. Investigate. Never ignore oil pressure warnings. While it idles, inspect underneath for leaks. Drain plug, filter. Any drips, fix immediately. A loose plug can empty your engine in minutes. After 3 minutes, shut it off. Wait 2 minutes. Recheck oil level. Top off precisely if needed. You're not done yet. Fresh oil needs a gentle adaptation period. For the first 20 to 30 miles, drive calmly. Keep engine speed moderate. Avoid aggressive acceleration. Avoid sustained high speeds. Vary your load slightly. This allows the oil to circulate thoroughly and condition internal surfaces evenly. Mechanics who build long-lasting engines swear by this break in approach, even for routine oil changes. Now let's talk oil choice, because viscosity mistakes destroy engines quietly. Always follow manufacturer specifications. Modern engines are engineered for specific oil flow characteristics. Thicker is not better. In many newer engines from brands like Toyota or Honda, 0W20 or 5W30 full synthetic is required for proper variable valve timing performance. Using heavier oil can restrict flow at startup. That increases wear, not protection. Use reputable brands. Buy from trusted retailers. Counterfeit oil exists. Cheap oil that doesn't meet certification standards breaks down faster under heat stress. And here's where discipline matters most: at interval. While some manuals advertise 10,000-mile intervals, long-term engine builders rarely push beyond 5,000 miles for naturally aspirated engines. Turbocharged engines, 3,500 to 4,000 miles is safer. Short trips, extreme heat, dusty environments, shorten it further. Oil degrades from heat cycles, fuel dilution, moisture, and combustion byproducts. It's chemistry, not marketing. Yes, it costs more to change oil more often. But here's the math. An extra few oil changes per year might cost a few $100s. A timing chain replacement due to sludge, thousands. Piston ring replacement from oil consumption, thousands more. Preventive maintenance is cheap insurance. Always has been. Let me be clear about what not to do. Do not use aggressive engine flush chemicals in high-mileage engines with unknown service history. Large chunks of loosened sludge can clog oil pickup screens. That's catastrophic. Stick to gentle dilution with clean oil as described. Do not over-torque drain plugs. Stripped oil pans are expensive. Use proper torque specs. Do not reuse crushed drain plug washers if your vehicle uses them. Replace them. They're cheap. Leaks aren't. Do not rely solely on dashboard reminders. Track mileage manually. Be proactive, not reactive. Over years of shop, proven application, engines maintained with this disciplined method run quieter. Startup rattle reduces. Oil remains cleaner between intervals. Consumption drops or disappears. Internal inspections show dramatically less varnish and sludge buildup. This isn't magic, it's method. And here's the bigger lesson: longevity is never about one dramatic fix. It's about small, repeatable habits. Precision, patience, respect for machinery. If you care about keeping your car beyond 200,000 miles, this is how you do it. Not with miracle additives. Not with shortcuts. With consistency. Now I want to hear from you. What country are you watching from? And what car topic should I break down next? Turbo care, transmission longevity, hybrid battery maintenance. Comment below. If this deep dive helped you, hit like so more drivers can protect their engines. Share it with someone who keeps skipping oil changes. And subscribe for more proven car maintenance secrets that save you thousands and keep your engine running like new for decades. Take care of your engine, and it will take care of you.